Let's look at the L2 normalize function in the TensorFlow math. And to calculate the values, let's first create a tensor x is equal to tf dot constant, and this has values 1 and 2. Now to get the L2 normalized values, we would type tf dot math dot L2 underscore normalize x and print z dot numpy, and these are the L2 normalized we have. Now the way these are calculated is as follows. We have, let's say z, and this is what's written here right up there. If we first calculate the squared values, so 1 square plus 2 square, and then we find max np dot max, max of either the value calculated above or the value that we are writing here, which is e1 to the power 1e minus 12. And then we take the inverse and square root. So 1 divided by np dot sqrt of z, and then we print the z. So that's so this value 4472136, that's pretty close to what the value we have here at index location 0. So that's how we can calculate the L2 normalized values in TensorFlow math. Notice that there are some deprecated arguments in this. I think dim is one of them that's listed in the doc. But other than that, this is how this method would work. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.